Now let's talk about putting the app on your phone. To do this, you will look for a text message that you probably received to get the app. You received it during training, or if you didn't, you can call our customer service and we can send you a new message. Click on the link that comes with the message to begin the download process. Remember that when we launch your community, all the residents with smartphones will receive this. They don't need to get the app to get the text and the phone calls. They can if they want to, but they don't need to. You need to, though, as the on-site manager, because you need to be able to send the messages using the app. We showed you earlier in an earlier video how to use the account to send messages, but you'll find that using it on the app is a lot faster. Once you click on that link, your phone will start to download by showing you a video at the top. You can watch that video if you want. It pretty much has the same things that I'm talking about here. Or underneath the video, you have a 6-character code. It's all capitals, and you need to capture that. And then begin downloading based on your phone type. Once the app is installed, you want to enter that 6-character code that you captured before and click on Register Access and accept the terms. Once you do that, the app will appear on your phone. You'll see a map at the top with a series of green bars. There's a slider at the top that will change the opacity of the radar information, the weather information that's on the screen. And you can click on this little X there on the box to remove it if you want to move around. This is a fully functioning weather app. You can take your 2 fingers and pinch it to zoom in and zoom out and move around the country. You can see current weather information, get a forecast, etc. But what you're going to primarily use this for is the community broadcast. Click on Community Broadcast, and just as we showed you when you log into your account, you can send a message by typing it in manually, or you can select from the text library and send it. Again, the same character limit applies of 160 characters. Also, if you send it between 8 and 8, it will go out immediately. If you need to send it immediately, click on the emergency message. Next, you want to receive a test call. Click on Test Call at the bottom of the app and request a test call. Now, when the phone rings, you don't necessarily have to answer it, but what I do want you to do is I want you to save the phone number as HazardCall. We use an 866 number to send the weather alerts when they are life-threatening. And unfortunately, in this country, since 2015, we don't answer phone calls that begin with 866 because we think they're robocalls. We want you to make sure that you answer our call when you do get it so that you don't mistake it for a robocall. We also have this graphic available on our resources page. So you can download that. You can include it in newsletters. You can post it in your office or wherever to remind residents that they need to save this number so that they answer the call. If it's 2 in the morning and they get an 866 call, it's coming from us letting them know that there's dangerous weather moving in. They want to be able to respond.